Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to transfer money out of Shopify. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how your funds flow from Shopify into your bank account and how to track every payout step by step. Whether you're new to the platform or just want a clear refresher, you'll finish this video with the confidence to find, monitor, and move your hard-earned sales dollars wherever you need, fast. Let's jump right in. The journey begins inside your Shopify admin panel. Once you've logged in, head straight over to Settings. This is the control center where all the core options live. From here, click on Payment. This section is dedicated to how your store handles transactions and gets funds to you. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the provider you're currently using, whether that's Shopify Payments or a third-party processor. Understanding this helps you know exactly how your money is reaching you, like knowing which lane on the highway your funds are driving down. Now, if you're using Shopify Payments, things are pretty straightforward. Whenever a customer places an order and completes their purchase, Shopify automatically processes those funds and schedules the transfer to your bank account you've previously set up. No need to manually request payouts. It's all taken care of for you. The payout timing depends on your schedule, which you configure during your setup so your money might arrive daily, weekly, or on another schedule that fits your business. Imagine automatic deposits like having a reliable friend who always remembers to bring your coffee in the morning, right on time. But what if you get curious about the process or run into a question your current settings don't seem to answer? Here's a tip not everyone knows. Shopify's AI-powered help is just a click away. At the top of your admin panel, you'll spot the AI icon. If you click this and type, "How to transfer money from Shopify to bank account," the AI will instantly provide the latest, most up-to-date advice. Especially handy since Shopify's interface changes over time, and we're now looking at what things will look like in 2025. Not only do you get current steps, you get peace of mind knowing you're never using outdated info. Of course, keeping a close eye on your payouts is key, especially when you're waiting for money to land in your bank account. To do this, just go to the Finance area in your Shopify admin, then select To Be Paid inside the Payouts section. This is where you can track the status of every payout. You might see a status marked Scheduled. This means the money is being processed and will soon be on its way. If it's paid, Shopify has released those funds. Though be aware your bank might take a couple of business days to deposit them. And if you ever see failed, don't panic. It simply means there's a hiccup with your bank details, like an incorrect account number. Fixing those takes just a quick update, and you're back on track. Now, for those of you using Shopify Balance, you also have the flexibility to manually transfer money to external accounts. In this case, go to Finance, Main, Move Money, Transfer Funds. Here, you pick your source and destination accounts, enter the amount, and complete the process. This is a bit like moving money between jars on your kitchen shelf. Simple, but make sure you select the right accounts. And that's really it. Just a few streamlined steps to get your Shopify money moving exactly where you want. If you follow each part, you'll keep your cash flowing smoothly and always know where it's headed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need a more detailed walkthrough on a specific point, and subscribe to stay in the loop for more clear, friendly Shopify tutorials. See you in the next video.